you can see, guys, I am seasoning up the chicken gizzard. I'm cooking chicken gizzard today. So as I see, I have the Irish potato, onion, tomato, sweet pepper, and Scotch Bonnet Pepper. That is what I use to season it up. I'm going to add in the all-purpose seasoning. And mix it up. And because the all-purpose seasoning already have salt, I do not add any more salt to it, because the seasoning is by itself, it already contains salt, and I do not want to use too much salt. And now I'm going to add the browning. Add the browning. Mix it up. And then I'm going to put this up to marinate for a while before I cook it. I'm going to just put it up, let the seasoning soak in it, marinate so that it tastes very good when you eat it. I'll be back when it's time for the cooking. And we are back now, guys. As you can see, it's fully marinated. It was marinated for a couple of hours. And now it's time to put it in the pot. I have this oil here hot, and throw it out. And just stir it so that it brown evenly. I'm going to let it simmer like this for a couple of minutes before I add the liquid to it. As you can see, it's simmering down, and I have the mixture to add to it. The mixture over here. So this is ketchup, and for my own personal taste, I added a little barbecue sauce, but you don't have to add it if you don't want. But I have some left over, so I just use it. So I have ketchup and barbecue sauce mix, and now I'm going to add this mixture. And just stir it up. And now I'm going to just let it simmer down for about 15-20 minutes, and I come and check on it again.
15 minutes later.
As you can see, guys, I am basically stir frying the spaghetti. Adding a little seasoning to it. Stir it up. The gizzard is almost ready. Here is the finished product, guys. As you can see, it's brown stew chicken gizzard with stir fried spaghetti.